Good morning. It has been a while since I vlogged. I think my last vlog was the 17th of December, which I realize isn't a super long time, but whenever you had previously thought that you were going to do all of Vlogmas, it seems like a while. So we are still in the midst of school, Christmas vacation. The kids don't go back to school until the 6th of January or the 5th. I think the 6th. I think the 6th is a Monday. And today is my first day back in the studio after a week staycation. Even though we were pretty busy through the week, I wasn't actually in the studio. We were visiting with family, having our own Christmas here at the house. Yesterday was our last Christmas festivity, and it was at my mom's. It was a really great time. And yeah, that was it. So now my Hygge holidays officially start. If you don't keep up with me on Instagram, that is just kind of the time I set aside after Christmas to relax, to slow way down. I have a lot, me and Adam both have a lot to catch up with today. Orders have to go out the door as soon as possible this week. Everyone was so patient after I put up my announcement that last week's orders would not ship till this week. So that is what I will be doing first and foremost, is getting last week's orders out and this week's orders out. So right here, I have a new basket that I'm going to be working on, the Advent socks by Remembrance Pottery. I am blanking on her name right now, but I've seen so many of them. They are colorwork socks. They don't have a heel flap and gusset, but I think I'm going to adjust them to do that because that's just what fits my foot best. I have never done a fully colorwork sock, so I'm a little nervous, but I think I can do it. I do colorwork a lot. It's just going to be a matter of figuring out my tension, figuring out what size will work best for my foot so that it goes over my instep, because that's where I run into problems with colorwork socks, is getting them over my instep. I have been watching a couple series, one with my husband and one on my own. We've been watching The Witcher, which we are big fans of. He played the games. I have read one of the comic books, and I have downloaded the novel, a few of the novels. And I will be listening to those on audiobook while I work. But yeah, it's really good. And then the other is one of my favorite shows, which is The Magicians. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to get to work and hopefully very soon put up my first vlog in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. How long has it been? But yeah, I'm gonna get to work. going to call that a very productive day. I got well over probably half my list done today, and it's only Monday. Just printed the pattern for the Advent socks. I need to finish the pair of Underwing mitts that I am knitting for my sister. All I have to do is the thumbs. Once I cast those off, bind those off, I will be starting my Advent socks in my new basket. So I need to wind up just two minis for now. I'm just going to be adding minis into this as I go. I think I might do both the cuffs tonight and finish my sister's Underwing mitts, and then maybe see how much of the color work I get started. But yeah, I'm going to refill my coffee in my new Polish pottery mug. I love this mug so much. It's beautiful. And yeah, go out and hang out with the family. Rory is playing with some of her fairies that we got from Oak Tree Vibrations on Etsy.
Can I say something?
Sure. What do you want to say?
I love my fairies, what Mom always gives me.
Yeah. What are their names? Do they have names?
Yep. This one is Santa, and this one is Tom. This one is Abigail. This one is Foxy. This one is Gigi.
Okay. So we have Foxy, Abigail, Tom, and Santa, and Gigi, who is a pop figure, but they had to have a kitty, she said. And this is the cute little acorn bed. And whose bed is that?
Tom's.
Tom's. Yeah.
Yeah. They can all share it.